So are you thinking you're finally going to lock in and buy that EV you've been putting off for the last few years now that petrol prices have gone crazy? Well, you can save even more by buying a pre-owned EV like this Tesla Model 3. There's a few key things you need to look out for though when buying a used EV, and I'm going to take you through them now. Buying a used EV is just like buying any other used car. In fact, it's probably easier because they've got very few moving parts and there's actually less that can go wrong. But one thing that can give you a bit of added peace of mind is buying from one of the established, well-known brands that you know and trust. In the last several years, there's been an influx of unfamiliar brand names into the Australian market. But if you stick with familiar ones like Tesla, BYD, Kia, Hyundai, BMW, Polestar, you know that they have a large established service and dealer network, and should anything go wrong, it won't be a problem to get your car fixed. Some EVs, especially high-performance models, come with twin electric motors driving power to all four wheels. You should decide whether or not getting from 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds is really that important to you, because you can save thousands by buying a single motor version. And how big do you need the battery to be? Most people tend to overestimate the distance they drive every day, with the average car doing about 30 kilometers a day. Choosing a car with a smaller battery can help you save even more. Check the warranties. When EVs are sold new, they usually come with 2 warranties. One for the battery that runs around about 8 years, and the regular new car warranty, which is around about 5 to 7 years, although in some cases it can be as long as 10. Those warranties are transferable, so make sure they're in order when you buy your used EV. Checking the battery's state of health is also really important. Even if a car's only a few years old, if it's racked up thousands of kilometers and had a hard life, it won't hold as much charge as a similar car that has maybe had a gentler life. Tesla shows you the state of the battery health on the center console screen in just a few button pushes. This one is healthy. Alternatively, you can take a car to a dealership who can run a simple test for you. Another way to check is to see what the total range is on a full charge, although admittedly, that's probably not the most accurate. Your pre-owned EV should come with a regular 240 volt charger that can plug into any domestic power outlet at home, perfect for leaving the car charging overnight. High-speed chargers in public locations usually come with their own cables, and of course you might consider having an EV wall charger installed in your garage at home. And then there's all the regular used car stuff you have to check out as well, like the bodywork, the paint, are there any dents, the upholstery, is it clean and tidy and in good shape, the service history, and the tyres. Now, EVs send a lot of power and torque through their tyres to the road, and they do weigh a bit extra, so tyres do tend to wear out a bit more quickly. But you can buy with confidence Cars24, because all of our cars come with a 30-day return guarantee and go through a 300-point inspection before they're sold. Head online now to cars24.com.au to see what EVs we currently have in stock.